So good morning, guys. Here we go again. We're back with a new project. So this is my second yellow EK9, and this time it's a K-swap. So this EK9 now has a K24 engine. So it has a body club head and stock block K24A3, and it has a DC5 Type-R LSD gearbox, and we have the spoon final drive and spoon LSD on it. It has bolt-ons as well. We have the K-swap headers, we have the S90 throttle body, we have the custom titanium intake from Zeus Fabrications. And we have some spoon bits like the spoon oil cap, the spoon radiator stay, the spoon radiator cap, and some other K-tuned parts on it. So on the handling side, we're running the BC Gold coilovers with operated springs, so we can use it on tracks better. And we have some brand new Yokohama Advan AD08R tires. The size is 225/45/16. And we also ordered this spoon SW388 wheels, 16 by 7.5 plus 30. And at the same time we ordered this spoon lug nuts, the spoon decals, and the spoon center caps. We also bought some brand new spoon monoblock calipers, and we're running the Zonelli 300mm rotor disc in front. So on the interior side, we have this Momo Monte Carlo steering wheel with a quick release, and we also have the K-tune shifter, and we're running the Defi gauges as well. And we have this brand new Body Club Racing Spec sport seats on both sides as well. And the car is also certified for 2-seaters, so it's running the half cage at the back, the Cusco half cage. So I got this car last September, mid-September, and then after 2 weeks we stripped everything and into bare shell, and we decided to paint it yellow. So we pulled the engine out, everything, and then the build process took us like 6 weeks by the help of my good friend Gab, GC Garage, and now we are having our own shop, which is the JDM Powerhouse. And we're gonna build some more cars like this in the future, so watch us out. after building this car, I would like to thank my wife for being so supportive in doing my hobby, and shout out to my car community back in the Philippines, which is the JDM Underground Philippines, and our shop, the JDM Powerhouse, GC Garage, and other side New Zealand.